One of my mods, the lovely Vanessa, sent me the link to a video about the case I'm going to talk about. And I want to warn you that I will talk about the abuse and death of a 10-month-old infant. Sorry, the alleged abuse. So if this is something that will be harmful to your mental health, please skip this one. Scarlett Marley Witherspoon died on August 3, 2025 in Arlington, Kentucky. She was only 10 months old. The community were led to believe that she had died of SIDS, but on August 13th, they discovered the truth. The autopsy showed something that led authorities to arrest her mother, Samantha Stagner, 27, and her boyfriend, Dayton Mason, 29, for first-degree manslaughter in the death of Marley. They were both in the Hopkins County Detention Center in Madisonville, Kentucky, until their grand jury arraignment. Everyone seemed to accept that they would be indicted on their charges, but the grand jury said there wasn't enough evidence, so the charges were dropped. And here's what the autopsy found: upper and lower lip lacerations, left cheek pattern contusion, contusions on the right cheek, chin, and abdomen, right atrial laceration, pulmonary contusions on right lung, and liver lacerations. So these are major injuries. These aren't an oops, the baby fell kind of injury. Samantha and Dayton told authorities that Marley was fine when she went to bed, and then the next morning when they woke up, she was covered in cuts and bruises. Give me a flippin' break. Did they immediately take her to the emergency room or make a police report about how she was somehow attacked in the night by an intruder that no one else heard or saw? The state troopers that investigated said that Samantha and Dayton were the only ones to enter Marley's room that night. So I don't know why those two think that we're going to believe that these horrific injuries just happened and neither of them were the one to have caused them. How did the grand jury get this one so wrong? How could they look at that evidence and not think it's enough to take the two to trial? There have been photos of Marley posted that show that she had bruises. And I fully understand that babies get bruises because they are clumsy little things. But given the circumstances, the bruising on Marley is suspicious. Dayton Mason has a history of abuse and was arrested on February 11, 2024 for fourth-degree domestic violence. The scary thing is that there is another child in that home. It's a little boy that looks to be about 2 years old, and I would hope that CPS is looking into this case and actually taking steps to protect him, but I don't know that I have a lot of faith that that's happening. The one bit of good news in all of this is that charges can be refiled, and I sincerely hope that Hopkins County gets their act together and brings justice for Marley and for those who loved her.